Good morning, students. We are learning about sets, and yesterday we learned what is meant by disjoint sets and union sets. Okay. Now union of two sets means what? It will be if A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and B is set of 4, 5 and 3, then A union B will be equal to the set of all the elements of B and A. Okay, so I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 is repeated, so I cannot write any element twice. Okay, so this set A is the A union B. Okay, so today we are going to learn some properties of this union sets. Okay, now first property says if A union B is equal to B union A. Now let's check if it is correct or not. We have done A union B here, and now we are going to write B union A. What is B? I am going to write B first. 4, 5, 3 and 1, 2. I am not going to write 3 because we cannot repeat an element in a group while writing a set. Okay, so here you can see all these 5 elements are there in this A union B. Okay, so when all the elements of this set is equal to all the elements of this set, then we can say these two are equal. So the first property is done. Write down with me. You have to write down all the properties. Okay, second property is the second property is A union A will be equal to A. Now this is A. Okay, if you try to write A union A, that means we will be writing all the elements which are there in the A's. Okay, so what will be that? That will be equal to 1, 2, 3, and again we are going to union it with A. That means we should again write 1, 2, 3, but we cannot write because the rule says we can write the elements only once. So this 1, 2, 3 is again what? A. So this is equal to A. That's why A union A will give you A. Now the third property is A union A dash. Okay. A union A dash is always equal to U. Let's see. So what was A? A was 1, 2, 3. Okay. A. And what is A dash? There is no A dash. That means there is no element in the A dash. Okay. And if you union them together, you get union set. Okay. That means if by the Venn diagram, if I try to represent this sets with the help of Venn diagram, this will be my set A 1, 2, 3 and the remaining will be A dash, right? The rest of the area will be A dash and together they will be forming union set. Okay? I hope you have understood. If some set U is given to you which is having 5 elements 1 to 5 and A is 1, 2, 3, then the rest of the area will have 4 and 5, and if you take union of this A with the A dash, you will get union set. Okay, universal set you will get. Now the next property says A union 5 null set. Okay, set A was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, And what is phi set? Phi set is null set. It is empty set. And when you union them together, what should you get? A union phi. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So again you are going to get this set means A. Right? So therefore A union phi is equal to A. Now the next property is, if A is the subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. If B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is 1, 2, 3, then what will be A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we again write 1, 2, 3? No, we cannot write because we have already written once. So, if you look at this, this is equal to B. So, when A is chota set, okay, it is a subset of B, then its union will be equal to B. And if B is the subset of A, then its union will be equal to A. So that's it for today's lecture, and I'll see you in Google Meet. If you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. Okay? Thank you.